Alright, what's up guys? Welcome back to the video. Today we're doing these limited edition Pop-Tarts. They're pink lemonade. Here, go show them. Don't get too close. Alright, come back.
Okay.
So we'll just open one. I don't want to eat two of them.
Oh, come on.
We'll just split it. There's two in a pack, so we don't need to. And we can open more if we want. Alright, go show them. Show them what it looks like.
Looks like this, guys. It smells good. Ready?
Yeah, break it. Oh, I just don't really need to see that. It's just pink inside.
Good. Ah. Right, now it's getting sour.
That's gross.
I know. But they're gonna buy it. Oh man, this is nasty. Yeah. Yeah.
Here you go. Did you eat it?
Yeah. What's that? Yeah, he's eating it.
You leave him alone.
He's eating it. He must be a dumb dog. Almost socked in the head, Gizmo. Hey, Gizmo, here.
I can't finish this. I hate it. God, that seriously is disgusting.
I know. This is like eating a turtle.
Yeah, I can't.
Me neither. No.
Gizmo, you finish yours?
Turn it on.
He did!
Here. Bad. Hey. I'm gonna try one.
Gizmo wins the challenge, guys. That's not really a challenge.
Slap her in the face.
Hope you guys enjoyed the video.
What's up, Turd? Nice to meet you, Turd. Nice to meet you.
Alright, hope you guys enjoyed it.
No.
If you did, leave a like.
Much. Oh, I got my welcome, Turd. Good job.
Yeah, see you guys later.
Bye.